Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving into downtown Kingston. We are on Marcus Garvey Drive heading towards downtown Kingston. On the left is the intersection to Greenwich Town. On the right is the Petrojam facility. Marcus Garvey Drive was recently upgraded. You can see the concrete barricade in the road, street lights, and the road is nicely paved with a lot of markings. You have the white lines, good signage. Now this road has been plagued with flooding problems ever since, even before it was renovated. Now it was said once that the size of the drains were inadequate, that's why the road still floods. We'll look into that and see what's going on. On the left and the right, we just passed the JPS Hunts Bay power plant. That facility on the right where you see those tall towers, that's the Nutramix facility. And all the factories you see on the right, like Petrojam, Nutramix, on this side is the Marcus Garvey Drive, but on the other side of the facility is the Kingston Harbour. So they have ports or berths where ships can come in and dock and load and unload goods. Okay, those buildings straight ahead, that's the downtown area. On the right, we're going to come up to a bus park. This bus park was built by the government a few years ago, but it's not that popular, and as you can see, it doesn't have a lot of traffic compared to the other bus parks. Okay, the official name is the Downtown Municipal Transport Center. It doesn't have a lot of traffic. The other bus parks in downtown have a lot more traffic, but certain buses have to terminate their route at that location according to their license. Okay, we're now going to pass over Pecan Street and go on to Harbour Street. So if we turn left or right at this intersection, we go on to Pecan Street. We are now going on to Harbour Street, which is one of the more popular roads in downtown Kingston. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a Friday, so that will give you an idea as to what the traffic is like. we're now passing over Orange Street. It's a one way, so you have to turn left. And when you turn left, that will take you towards the parade area. And to the right, that will take us down to the Kingston Harbour or Ocean Boulevard. But as we said, downtown has a lot of one-ways. It's a very busy area. So they use the one-way system to help with the flow of traffic. Straight ahead at that intersection now is King Street. King Street, you can turn left or right. So you would turn left to head up to Parade, turn right to head towards the Kingston Harbour or Ocean Boulevard. Now the streets in downtown Kingston are named after English royalty. They have Victoria Street, King Street, Barry Street, Harbour Street, Duke Street, Princess Street, okay, on the right you can see the Air Jamaica building. You can see the Air Jamaica name still on it. I'm not sure why that building is still named the Air Jamaica building, because Air Jamaica ceased operations many years ago. I think that building should be renamed. It's owned by the government of Jamaica, the building, and it's a office building where people rent space. Air Jamaica was the national airline for Jamaica once, but it stopped flying years ago. Okay, that building that you could just saw in the view, that with the black glass, that's the Scotiabank building or the Scotia Centre, and that's one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. Now when you think of Harbour Street, the most popular location is probably Grace Kennedy. The head office for Grace Kennedy has been on Harbour Street for over 100 years, or about 100 years, because they're celebrating 100 years this year. Now we're now at the intersection with Duke Street. Duke Street is another one-way street, so you would turn left to head up to, actually Duke Street takes you all the way up to National Hero Circle or the Crossroads area. On the right you can see the Grace Kennedy head office. It's a new building that was recently built, probably 2 or 3 years ago. And you can see the 100 on the buildings, marking Grace Kennedy's 100 years in operation. We're now at the intersection with Hanover Street. It's also another one way where you turn left. Okay, on the right it's the parking lot for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. On the right now we're passing Jamaica Stock Exchange building. We're passing over the intersection with Gold Street. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.